Corliss with Tormach. Today I'm going to talk about toolmaker's vices and how to use them in a mill. A toolmaker's vise is a precision ground vise. It's good for holding delicate parts because your clamping pressure is real easy to control. You're just using an Allen wrench to tighten it. And for parts that you really want to make sure are orientated the way you want them to, because you can orientate them in the vise and then just clamp the vise in your work holding in the machine. And if you've got a surface grinder, you use them all the time in a surface grinder. We have 3 different size toolmaker's vise with this style. A smaller one, larger one, and then an in-betweener. They are all basically the same, just different sizes. And they're precision ground all sides and end. So you can set these, you can set them flat, you can set them on their end, side, and set them on their ends. They've all got a threaded hole in the sides, so you can put a little strap clamp with a bolt and use them for stops. If you're doing more than one piece, you have a stop bolted to the side and then just keep sliding your pieces in against that stop. Or one off each side, pinch it. If you had a pin that you wanted to clamp on, you could clamp on the V-groove here. And now with it like this, you can put it in the machine. You can do your work on this side, take the whole vise out of your vise, tip it up, and then do end work on it. And you know it's orientated 90 degrees from where you did the first work. Same with this flat piece. You can set the vise in, and the vise on it, clamp it this way, machine the end off, do whatever end work you'd want to, unclamp it from your vise, rotate the toolmaker's vise 90 degrees and do side work, and you know everything's 90 degrees. Everything's going to be perpendicular. The locking mechanism for the vise, it just slides in here, and then when you get to for the correct size for your piece, it locks up in, and then you tighten the bolt against the groove. And clamp it in the vise this way. And if you wanted to change parts, the movable jaw on the toolmaker's vise is smaller. The mill vise is clamped up on the solid jaw. So the movable jaw still moves. You can loosen it up. There you go. Just like that. It's in. Yep. Still clamped in the vise. But the movable jaw you can still loosen and tighten.
Good.
Yeah, and then you can flip the vise over 90 degrees. Just like that, and then do work on this face. You know it's perpendicular to whatever work you just did.
Good.
Toolmakers' vices are very versatile for doing small, intricate work, delicate work, but you don't have a lot of clamping for, so don't think you're going to put a block in here and do a bunch of heavy milling because it'll slip out on you. If you're using them on a surface grinder with a magnetic chuck, the magnetism will draw up through these vices, so you can grind. It'll help hold your workpiece down in the grinder. Aluminum is not going to help you a bit. Okay. There's nothing to help with the magnetism with aluminum. It holds your vise down well, but it's not going to increase your holding power at all.
Just steel. Iron.
Just steel, just iron.
Okay.
And that's a quick intro on what toolmakers' vices are used for.